Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're covering another common question our customers often ask us, this time about microwaves, and the question we're talking about is why do I sometimes hear clicking from my microwave whilst it's working? The first thing to be aware of is that most of the time there's nothing to worry about when it comes to hearing clicks whilst the microwave is working in various cooking modes. There's several reasons as to why you might be hearing clicks, but just to be aware, if you are hearing clicks and something else is going on, like your microwave is vibrating a lot, or you're seeing sparks or arcing on the inside, or smelling anything that doesn't smell quite right, then stop what you're doing straight away, unplug the microwave and step away from the appliance. But if you're only hearing clicks on their own, then usually there's nothing to worry about. So the first thing that sometimes happens when using a microwave in various cooking modes is that actually there's a thermostat switcher going on. This is most common in convection modes and other combi modes as well, and basically that's controlling the temperature whilst your food is cooking, and that may be turning off and on at various times throughout the cooking process, and you may hear a slight click when that's happening. The other thing that people often hear is the relay switcher as well, and basically what that is the electronics in the interior of the microwave, again sending those electronic signals to turn certain elements on and certain elements off, and that's what you might be hearing. So that again might give those clicking sounds. On top of that, sometimes the fan on the back of the microwave, or wherever your fan may be, might sometimes make a slight clicking noise. Again, that may be something that happens more recurrently as well, and sort of less infrequently, because obviously the fan is running at quite a fast pace. And lastly, one of the most common reasons why customers might be hearing a clicking noise during their microwave cooking is because the turntable isn't quite set correctly on the roller wheel. So really important to be aware that when you're using the turntable, you've got it set really correctly on the roller wheel there. Otherwise it might be sort of just catching something on the inside of the microwave, and it's really important that that doesn't happen. Obviously that's going to affect how well your food cooks and how well the microwave operates as a whole. So do be aware of that. One other thing to be aware of as well is that sometimes if you're cooking at high temperatures for quite a while, the metals inside the microwave can slightly expand and slightly attract during the cooking process, and that might cause some clicking noise as well. But again, it's nothing to worry about. If you're just hearing some clicks during the cooking process and you're a little bit concerned, it's usually absolutely fine. So thanks so much for watching. I hope that answered your queries and question. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.